Good morning to one and all. Hope all of you are doing fine. I welcome you to the Health and Wellness Club Assembly 2021 on the topic Health and Well-being and International Yoga Day. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Tough times never last, but tough people do. Robert Schiller.
Can anyone tell me what is going on around? Our schools are closed again for the second time. Rainy season is around. How I wish I could splash water from the puddles, touch a touch-me-not plant and see it open its leaves again. I also cannot go and play cricket outside. Oh God! Can you all help me? This is why I called you all for a video chat.
We are all in the same situation. But tell me, is everything okay at your end?
Oh, I'm not able to concentrate on my studies and my father's business is also not doing well. I find no interest in doing anything these days. Even my day-to-day activities, I feel so disheartened.
Come on, Abhinav, you have to understand that we are at least safe in our houses. Think of all those who don't even have the basic necessities. Many people have lost their loved ones too.
Listen friends, I will cheer you all up. Let's see who answers my question. Name a flower native to North America which can contain as many as 1000 to 2000 seeds. The fact is that these young flowers track the sun and not all of them are yellow in color.
Oh yes, they are sunflowers.
Hey, allow me to share with you all a lesson we learned from the sunflowers which I felt was interesting to know and can lead us to introspection. Sunflowers chase the light. You probably already know this, but have you ever wondered what happens on a cloudy and a rainy day when the sun is covered by the clouds?
This is an interesting question. Perhaps the sunflower withers or turns its head towards the ground.
Hey, I knew this would for sure have crossed your mind. Well, that's incorrect. This is what actually happens. They turn towards each other to share their energy.
Oh, is it? Very interesting. Nature's philosophy and solutions to the problems are amazing.
Friends, now let's apply this theory to our lives. Many people may become low-spirited and also depressed during these dark days of the pandemic. How about following the example of the beautiful sunflowers, that is, supporting and empowering each other?
You're correct. Nature has so much to teach us.
Exactly. If we share our sorrows and pour out our woes, we will feel lighter. Why delay? Let's start right away. I wish everyone a sunflower trait of turning towards each other on cloudy days. Spread goodness, it will come back to you. Stay safe, stay strong for each other.
Hey, the other day I spoke to Manju ma'am and Matthew ma'am to gather a few tips so as to stay healthy.
World
Come on,
Health
let's have a look
Organization
at it.
cites that health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So it is very important that we look after our mind and our body. In order to do that, we need to sleep well, eat the right kind of food and exercise regularly. For social well-being, we need to connect with our friends and family and see that we have only positive thoughts and help each other. As far as mental health is concerned, it is essential to meditate regularly, introspect and always be happy. Thank you.
Friends, Matthew ma'am has generously suggested numerous things found in our kitchen, which when used can build up on our immunity and resistance to illness. Carom and cumin seeds help us in digestion. Fenugreek reduces blood glucose and cholesterol. Turmeric helps in fighting against infections, and dates strengthen the heart and prevent blood clotting. Ma'am also suggested some simple home remedies for us as follows. For common cold and sore throat, mix 2 tablespoons of pure honey with equal quantity of ginger juice. She also emphasized on drinking hot water. Warm water on empty stomach improves digestion and metabolism. and also helps us to eliminate toxins. For building immunity and as a defense against cold and cough, she asked us to make a decoction of few leaves of Mexican mint, a little pure turmeric powder, a little crushed pepper, a little crushed ginger and water. We need to boil, strain and drink warm, adding a few drops of lemon juice. She also asked us to sleep well, pray regularly, meditate and develop good friendships to stay healthy.
And friends, we can search opportunities and problems too. Let me tell you about the positive effects of COVID. Skies appear bluer these days and rivers across the world have become clear. Pollution has come down and fewer cars are crashing. The good news is, scientists say that the Antarctic ozone hole is on its road to recovery. Also, crime rate is falling down and some infectious diseases are fading. Moreover, people began to exercise regularly, meditate and do yoga. They are now eating healthy and hygienic homemade food. Do you know, people are also learning online professional courses for skill development and they have started to value one another. We also understand why it is so important to save money. We can keep ourselves happy by taking care and loving ourselves too. And here's one more bounty from nature's womb. Friends, how can one understand oneself? I will tell you a powerful tool to do just that. Look what's here. That is a rose. Its bud, its thorns. Guess what it symbolizes?
Well, let me explain. Rose symbolizes anything you're grateful for or that is positive in your life. Whereas young bird symbolizes something you look forward to or that which gives you hope, motivation and inspiration. A thorn that pricks you symbolizes something challenging or stressful. It also indicates that you need additional support. So friends, now find out what the rose, bud and thorn of your life are.
Here are small things that you can do to help yourself to remain in high spirits. Move your body once a day in a way that makes you feel good. Make time to enjoy peaceful moments. Read a good book or listen to your favorite music. Make a conscious effort to take care of your personal space. It will calm you and gives you peace. Find small moments of quietness to meditate or write down your thoughts. Writing a diary entry every day is very therapeutic.
I feel better and relaxed. We now understood the things to be done to stay mentally, physically and emotionally fit. Let's find out what to eat to stay fit in this pandemic and thereby boost our immunity.
So Abhinav, nutrition advice for all of us during the COVID-19 outbreak. Eat fresh and unprocessed foods every day. Drink a lot of water every day.
What we should take to boost our immunity: blueberries, dark chocolate, turmeric, oily fish, spinach, ginger, green tea, sunflower seeds, almonds, yogurt, oranges and kiwi fruit.
Kindly avoid the following foods: canned foods, microwavable meals, chips, sugary drinks like soda, cold drinks, etc.
All of you are aware of the fact that the whole world is going through COVID-19 pandemic and almost every country has imposed lockdown in a certain form.
You are correct. In this situation, it is risky to go outside and take part in group activities. Social distancing and strong body immune system are the only available cure that we should embrace.
On behalf of Health and Wellness Club, I wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. This year, the theme for International Yoga Day is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family.
On 27 September 2014, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi was attending the annual congregation of United Nations General Assembly when he insisted upon to the global community to acknowledge the importance of yoga.
It's not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and nature. By changing the lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in well-being.
International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st of June every year, and the purpose behind designating June 21st for International Yoga Day is that this is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere.
Yoga is no longer a local practice of India, but rather a universally acknowledged exercise to maintain physical and mental health. Thank you all. Hope we all could enlighten you. In these pandemic times, it is very important to stay healthy in body and spirit. The magic words to practice are nutritious food, yoga exercises and other physical routines, positive thoughts, adopting an interesting hobby, stay safe and stay fit.
So, to commemorate this important day, please watch another video on yoga brought out by a yoga enthusiast in a very creative way.